Hi, my name is Wes Arnott. I'm here to introduce Packed Upfit Equipment. I'm one of the founders of the company, and we started this from an upfitting background. We've been upfitting for a long time, over 20 years, and all of our products are designed to be lightweight, tough and durable, and easy to install. So I'm going to walk you through a demonstration in our demo van here. So the core of our van equipment product line is our shelving systems. All of our shelving systems are made entirely of aluminum and composite material, and we've designed it like this to be extremely lightweight, but also extremely durable, tough, and resistant to all types of materials, anything that could spill or get on a shelf. This system is impervious to that. So aluminum end panel system and aluminum extrusion. There's a shelf base that's a composite material. I'm going to show you a bit more of that in a minute. But just to show you how confident we are of the durability and strength of this system, I'm going to do our jump test on it. Shows it very little movement with my full body weight on the shelf there. This is a full length 96-inch unit, which is another benefit. One single 96-inch length can provide a lot of storage in a cargo van with just one unit. All of our shelving systems are contoured for maximum space in the middle of the van. So you can see here that it fits tightly against the wall in this vehicle, and the end panel is contoured as such so that there's a nice wide aisle space down the middle of the van. It's very important for technicians to be able to carry the tools and equipment that they need to be able to carry in and out, and even to store other equipment that they transport, such as hot water tanks, condensing units, coils, whatever you happen to be carrying for the job you have at hand. This is an up-close look at an individual shelf to show the extrusions on either side that are designed specifically to be pressed onto this shelf-based material, which is a honeycomb structure, composite ABS, really rigid, strong, durable, impervious to liquids, and will never rot or rust, of a cross divider and the divider clips. I'm going to demonstrate our divider system that is integral to the shelving. So it's infinitely adjustable, and the dividers can be placed anywhere within the length of a shelf. They can be easily installed. They don't move once they're installed, but they're also easy to remove and relocate to another location due to our very uniquely designed divider clip. So anywhere you want to install a divider to divide up the system, say I want to store a bin here that carries my plumbing fittings, and this is where I want my divider. So I'm going to install a divider clip on one side and directly opposite. Clips in nice and easy, just snaps into place, and then the divider slides down between them, and that divider is firmly in place. You can remove the divider. These tabs here enable to grab it and easily release it from its position, pivots up, and you can relocate it somewhere else. We also have specific packed bins that are designed for our shelving system. So they're really tough and durable bins, and a couple features about them. They come with a set of cross dividers. So you can divide the bin up into 2 or 4 as you see fit, depending on what you want to carry in there. So really tough and durable, and they self-locate in the shelving. So this one happens to be a 12-inch bin, and I've got a 12-inch shelf here, so I can just drop it in there and it sort of self-locates in the shelf. Really tough and durable bins, and just to prove it, I can jump on these bins and put a lot of weight on them and be pretty rough with them, and they're gonna last forever. One of the key products in our product line for HVAC industry is tank holders for cylinders and pressure vessels. There's quite a range of those that technicians carry in their vehicles, and these typically have to be transported secured in position and vertical. So we've got this is a nitrogen tank holder, and then we've got similar one for acetylene B tanks, which is a very similar configuration, can be bolted to the end of a shelf unit like this, or the side of a drawer unit or wherever is convenient, depending on how you want to lay out your vehicle. Here's another example of a dual vertical tank holder for refrigerant tanks. So this tank holder can carry 30-pound or 50-pound refrigerant tanks stacked vertically. So really convenient and keeps them nice and secure in a compact area, which takes minimal floor space. We've also got another version which will carry a third tank above that. A key point with this type of vertical tank holder and with the other one beside it that I'm going to speak about in a minute is that they're compliant with regulations in that they store the tank so that the valve is always in the gas of the tank, not in the liquid. So that's a key thing for compliance in transport of refrigerants. This unit you see here is our combination refrigerant transport and shelving storage. So this is a C5 RS unit that has 3 shelves. You can combine it with bins if you wish. It's designed for the bins to fit in there nicely, but it also has a back bar in here with 4 straps in this case, which allow you to safely transport tanks, buckets, refrigerant tanks, or even things like sprayers or other cylindrical items that need to be secured standing upright so they don't spill. And really tough and durable, strong support. Once again, very heavily built and lightweight. This is one of our vertical tank holders that can carry 5 30-pound cylinders strapped in position as you see here. Easy to load and unload from the side door of a vehicle in this case, and then a small shelf on top for additional storage. Our heavy-duty drawer system is entirely made of aluminum, well designed to be easy to use, quiet, and really durable. So the large drawer, as you see here, is the largest dimensionally, vertical and width-wise on the market. It's got internal dividers, and it's really designed to be able to store securely heavy and expensive equipment, in this case a refrigerant recovery machine. So it's easy for a technician to swing that into the drawer and then securely lock it away without having to climb in and out of the vehicle with a heavy piece of equipment like that. The front face of the drawer is powder coated for a real durable finish, and it's got a stainless steel paddle latch system that can be locked for security of equipment inside. The unit above it, which is stackable either on top of a large drawer or stackable with multiple on top of each other, is our DR11, and also has the same powder coated drawer front, stainless steel paddle latch that's lockable, and it's got a full 6-inch clearance inside, which is great clearance. You can see can store one of our specific bins inside for extra organization. It also comes with a set of 5 adjustable dividers that can be divided up as you see fit for whatever equipment you intend to carry in this particular drawer. Nice and quiet, doesn't rattle, and secure and lightweight. And then the top edge trays are available to be mounted on top of either the small drawer or the large drawer, and just gives you extra real estate for storing tools and equipment in this space. We have a full line of safety partitions for the different vehicle types on the market. So we've got vertical aluminum styles with a walk-through or a door or a solid panel in the middle. And we've got contoured aluminum styles, which are contoured for seat travel and to maximize floor space in the cargo area. And then our most recent development are the composite partitions, which you see here. So really cutting edge partition. It's really lightweight and provides the best seal possible between the cab and the cargo area. So much better temperature control and quieter in the cab. And also we've durability and impact tested these partitions to the extreme to ensure that they provide a high level of protection along with the benefits that they bring to the user. They also look really nice and clean, professional, and provide a really nice finish within the work vehicle.